Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. So I got my husband to take the watch to work yesterday and for him to do some walking, some GPS and other activity so we can test the battery for the Pixel Watch 2. So a quick update for you guys. So here we go.
So yesterday we took the watch off the charge around 10:30 in the morning and it was also charged to 100%. And since the charge, it's been on completely 100% always on display. And during that time, obviously it was a busy day yesterday, lots of steps for me anyway. And part of that was I did some, in terms of activity wise, I did some, as you can see here, did some high intense training for about 12 minutes, did some weights for 10 minutes, done 3 lots of walks, so 10 minutes, 11 minutes, 10 minutes, and another 8-minute GPS walk. So that was all done yesterday. In between that, obviously, notifications come through all day, checking notifications, even updating some apps, and just generally testing, because it's still at the testing stage, like trying different things out. So it's now 9:55 nearly, I think, and the battery is at 7%. So I'm going to put it on charge now. So in terms of the length of time it's taken to get to 7%, obviously that's around, well, almost 24 hours now. So yeah, 23 and a half really, which some Google says 24 hours of battery life with always on display. So I think it's very close, considering it had a lot of usage yesterday. Also I have everything enabled, like I have the weather tile and everything sort of working in the back. Email notifications coming through. This is from today, obviously.
Do you have any calls?
Yeah, I received a few calls, but obviously I didn't take any calls on the watch, and obviously I was watching some YouTube stuff, so the watch was waking up because it had the media control thing popping up. So I'd say, to be honest, this is not bad. The battery is still adjusting. Don't forget, it's learning my usage patterns, so I expect the battery will get a bit better over time. We've only had the watch for a few days. We had it on Saturday.
2 days.
Yeah, so 2 days really, and that's not long enough. I think I would give it a week at least for the battery to fully settle down and get used to the usage patterns. Then you can judge the battery. But I think for now, almost 24 hours of always on display with constant use. It's not bad really. I'm quite impressed. The doorbell has been ringing, so every time the doorbell rings, a notification comes on the watch,
Or even when someone's walking past,
yeah, the sensor sort of kicks off, so you get notification on the watch. So yes, watch has been waking constantly with things happening in the back, in addition to these exercises and whatever. But yeah, I'd say so far so good, but I expect it to get better. So I'm going to do another test where I'm going to turn off the always on display and see after 100% charge, see how long that lasts. So what I'll do basically, I'm not going to just turn always on display, but I'm going to use it according to how I use. So for example, there may be some times when I will have the always on display on, and other times I won't, depending on where I am or what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm going to do another test, and that's going to be more like my use case, because I don't need the always on display on 100% of the times. But if I'm out walking and things, or like when I'm at work, then yeah, I definitely want to have the always on display on, so I can quickly glance and see the watch. So in terms of the displays, I think, let me have a quick look. So I have the always on display, as you can see, and I did change something on the tilt gestures. So if I go to gestures, you can see tilt to wake is off, touch to wake is off. I do enable rotate crown to wake, so I don't really need the tilt to wake always, because there's no need for that. And I can also change tap and touch and hold the watch face to change, but those things are standard. But yeah, mainly the difference is here I have the rotate crown to wake. So what that means is when the watch is on always on display, which you will go in a second, I'll show you. Okay, so now it's gone to always on display mode. So as you can see, the second has stopped. But now if you want to just wake the screen up, instead of tapping and all that one, it's not going to work. Or tilting your wrist isn't going to work. All you do is just push the crown up like that, and now see it's awake again. So yeah, anyway, that was all for this video, but we'll continue with more tests.
Okay guys, so when we both have time, what we'll do, we'll take both Pixel Watch 1 and Pixel Watch 2 and maybe go for a run in the park or something and do some more battery testing and compare both of the watches and get back to you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you find the video helpful. If you have, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.